All aboard! Yeah, I just wanted to get this in there. This is a long video. It's about 8 minutes. So if you could watch the entire video, it's well worth it. So hang in there. Hey, welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to share with everybody a train layout that is under construction. And so a fellow train enthusiast invited me to his house to take a look at his layout, the progress of his layout. And it is really something to see. Number one, my layout took about 3 years to do or so. It is roughly 25 plus by, I think, 13 or 14 feet. His layout is 40 feet long, around 12 feet wide, two levels. And it is something to really behold. I mean, he put together a lot of detail, a lot of care, and attention to detail when he wired his layout. The wiring under his table is magnificent. Mine looks like a spider's web. I had every intention of being careful and articulate when I laid everything down. His is just a piece of art underneath the table. And his switches are all automatic. So as the train goes through, the switches self-adjust to switch to allow the trains to go through. So let's take a quick look at what he's put together. Okay, here's his layout, and it's 2 levels. He used Atlas track, Atlas switches, and also integrated some raw switches. You could see the expanse with respect to the 40-foot length. His trim work on the table is very neatly done. The table itself is just top-notch. It's always interesting to see how someone pulls together their vision of their layout. Everyone's layout is different. It's just whatever your imagination and creativity can pull together. We'll talk about the turntable in a minute. You could see the cutout straight ahead. And as the train goes around the curve, you could see the train through the little cutout, the FMs. And it's about 12 feet wide. Everything on his layout is computerized. You could see the LCS system there with his turntable configuration. The turntable itself is a Millhouse River turntable. Really fantastic looking. And let's just take a look at the train in operation and the turntable in operation. So there you have it. His layout is a work in progress. It's fantastic. I really appreciate that he extended an invitation to me to take a look at it, really enjoy it. His roundhouse is going to be a 12-stall roundhouse and should be coming soon. I'm looking forward to seeing that, and we'll be able to encapsulate his progress, fortunately, on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned. We'll track his progress, and we will also make some videos of trains in my layout and my train room. So hopefully you enjoy. Any questions, just email me, or not email me, but just comment, ask a question. I'll be more than happy to respond. It's exciting to watch the progress of a layout being made. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. One other thing I wanted to add: in December, my wife and I are headed to Nashville for the Nashville Christmas Train Show in December. And I did speak to Dr. Jack Fisher, who is in Nashville, who's got, again, one of the premier layouts in his basement, and he extended an offer to my wife and I to come take a look at that. So we'll be videotaping his layout a little bit, so we'll get another glimpse at someone else's layout, what they've done, and for something for all of us to enjoy. Stay tuned, and we'll be doing more videos shortly.